Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to put on our SuperATV flip up windshield for the wife's buggy. Now this windshield, I'm a huge fan of SuperATV windshields. They're just very high quality, a decent price, and guys, guess what? If you mention any of my Redneck Garage CFMOTO groups that you're in, they'll give you 10% off. So you can't beat that. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. I want to thank you guys for stopping in, hitting that like, share, and subscribe button. Don't forget to click that bell so you get all the notifications. And remember, if you're looking for a bad to the bone CFMOTO clutch kit, R.N.G edition, get a hold of me on Facebook. I can set you up. All right, guys, so we went ahead and we took off the mirrors because I'm not sure how they're going to interfere, and hopefully we can make them go back on. Got our box of goodies here. We're gonna go ahead and get these out. So we're gonna want to get our rubber molding here because it goes on the bottom of this windshield. And what I like to do is peel up this bottom half. Peel up that bottom half and start putting on this rubber. It's easy. It just shoves right on. All right, once you got this on, we're going to go ahead and cut the rubber. And then it's going to go on something like that. All right, so because we have these different doors on here, we need to get a 14mm and pull out these cage bolts. We're gonna do it one by one so we don't have the cage springing all over the place. Get our longer bolt, get our spacer. Now we're gonna take out the other bolt. Slide in our other bolt, get our spacer in there. Now we can get our windshield and put our lock nuts on there. Now we're gonna get them snugged up. They're just snug. Now we're gonna repeat that on the other side. All right, now next we have to get this windshield up into here, which can be a little tricky. Like so. You're gonna want a 5/32 hex to put these little screws in, just like so. So they just go in just like so. Like I said, we're just gonna snug them down just in case we gotta make an adjustment. They're not too tight and we can wiggle it around or do whatever we gotta do. Super easy to install. Don't seem too hard at all. Pretty easy. I didn't even need the instructions, which is probably why I'll have bolts left over. Just kidding. Shouldn't. All right, guys, so you're gonna want a 1/2-inch socket, 12mm to tighten up this. You don't want too tight, but you're gonna want it somewhat tight. We're gonna do the same over there. All right, guys, now it's time to put on this latch. And this latch is gonna go on just like so. All right, got that on. Now we're going to put this on. It's gonna go just like so. All right, that's on. Now we can pull all this off. Hey. All right, guys, so we was able to put our mirrors back on. The only thing we had to do was raise them just a little bit, and we had to trim a little piece of this corner off this bracket, which isn't gonna hurt nothing, and still closes fine. and it still latches fine. It's latched. There we go. The glass itself isn't rubbing on the mirror. This plastic pieces, we left just a little bit so it would rub and hopefully not vibrate. Yeah, it doesn't vibrate. What about up here? Yeah. Hey, not a care in the world. So yeah, guys, this is super easy install, not hard at all. Very nice windshield. You can't beat it at all for the price. And remember, if you message them and let them know that you're part of one of my Redneck Garage CFMOTO Facebook groups, which you can find them easily. They say Redneck Garage on the line of the group, inside the group. They will give you 10% off. Let them know, you know, Redneck Garage sent you and everything. So super happy to have them do a little something with the channel here. We all know SuperATV really don't just work with anybody, so I'm super happy to have them work with me a little bit here, and hopefully we can continue to grow and bring some more stuff to the table. So yeah, it's super easy. I didn't use the instructions. I didn't even have to have a leftover bolt or nut. It's pretty much cut and dry, simple. All right, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching the channel. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you out on the trails. Peace out, God bless. Leave me a comment down below of what you think of the SuperATV windshields. Are they nice? I think they are. I've always been a fan of their windshields. They're just built good. The quality is just amazing. So